Kind of hard to see me, but today we're gonna hike one of Tucson's most popular trails right off of here, Bear Canyon Road. We're gonna head to Seven Falls here in Tucson. See you on the trail. Oh, Logan's new backpack. His first trip with the new backpack.
He was so excited. He had it all packed up.
It was a beautiful morning to go on Seven Falls. It was a great morning. So we're just outside the Sabino Canyon portion and entering the Seven Falls trailhead, or Bear Canyon Trail 29. We're on the trail to Seven Falls. There's actually a tram that can drop you off if you don't want to do the full hike from Sabino Canyon or from Bear Canyon. So if you want to hit the Seven Falls itself, it can be kind of short. Ends up being 6.5 mile hike there and back, so it's not really a long trail. Moderate, I'd put it at. We brought some water shoes because last year when I crossed it to the Seven Falls, there was so much water from the monsoons and the mounting snow that we were drenched before we even got to the falls. But this year it's not as bad.
It was windy. It was getting hot though. In Arizona it gets hot so fast. We were sweating at this point in time though, even though it was early in the morning.
We were?
I was.
I wasn't sweating.
I was.
This is the tram drop-off location. We're right about a mile in from the Bear Canyon section. People can hike in and walk in and get trammed in. So if you want to avoid that, at least that 1 mile portion, you can grab the tram and stop here.
That's when we go to Seven Falls.
Yep. It's also Sycamore Reservoir, which is a spot that we were going to camp at. And we ended up not because it snowed. We were planning a family backpacking trip, taking the kids out on their first family backpacking trip. And the weather dramatically changed and snowed.
Most of the hike was uphill on the way to the falls, but it wasn't too challenging that the kids couldn't do it. I mean, they had no problems doing it, just had to take some breaks here and there and take our time crossing water, some rocks. It was an easy trail, or moderate, depends.
I think for the kids, I definitely categorize as moderate.
Yeah, we really didn't need our poles, but the kids really do love their poles, their hiking poles. And it did kind of help Olivia and us cross the water.
Here, are Logan's shoes waterproof? You can definitely tell it hasn't had much water. Not as lush or green as it used to be, or it was at least last year. Like all of these here were blooming. I found a snack spot. Fruit jerky.
Yeah, it's fruit jerky.
I didn't realize it was fruit jerky. It's like for somebody who doesn't hike in the desert terrain and they look at this and go, there's no trees, there's no forest. And then to us, when we hike this kind of stuff all the time, it's like, what is he doing?
I'm gonna die. That's Logan, entertaining himself.
And when you're out there hiking you know, in a open desert area like this, the sun is amazing, and then you think in the other way, you hike in a forest area. Where's the sun?
Yeah, you really don't get to see the sun.
You don't get to see the sun.
No.
Hello. Remember, the more breaks that we take, the longer it is.
Yeah.
So if you want it to be longer, take as many breaks as you want.
It was a challenge there going up the rocks, like this little area. Going straight up just because your legs start to burn.
I'm not saying nothing now. I'm gonna leave that one alone.
It was straight uphill, I'm telling you. That's why we were stopping so much for the kids.
That's why we're stopping for the kids?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. For Logan.
But that was a neat part.
That's it. We made it. 7 Falls. There it is.
Perfect spot. And I saw some dinosaurs.
Nom. Munching on my food.
That water was cold.
That water was cold. I'm gonna eat my veggie chips. Oh, you hear that sound? Because it sounds like water.
Logan looking at the fish. Olivia putting her hands in trying to catch the fish.
I know, right? Ready?
As you can see that Logan's hanging his towel and his shirt are hanging.
All right, so we had an incident. We, the minute I turned the GoPro off so we could start packing up, my son jumped and fell in the water. That's why he doesn't have a shirt now. Right there, yeah. What's with Logan and not wearing his shirt?
He doesn't like to hike with a shirt.
He's gonna be that muscle kid guy walking around without a shirt on.
Who knows?
Hill.
He was happy though his shirt was
Brother,
kind of
buddy?
damp in his shorts because it was hot on the way back. And it helped him stay cool.
Yeah, the temperature jumped up pretty quick.
Mm-hmm.
It was kind of hot on the way back. I don't know, there's something nice about hiking down through a valley and seeing the city of Tucson in the background. Well, on this return hike, we might lose one of our family members because she ran out of water. So she might die on trail. No, it's a good thing. She drank all her water. Olivia stayed really well hydrated for the hike. So between the 4 of us, there's still plenty of water for her to drink. We'll cross on the side. She drank a lot of water fast.
Yeah, she did. She's a beast. She does a good job hiking. We actually had to pull her back so she's not in front because she likes to go super fast.
Up. Keep moving. Nicely
Logan
done.
had to leave, yeah.
Ooh, yeah.
That's why Olivia was in the back of him.
Do you know how to high five yet?
Yes, I do.
No, you do little taps.
What's wrong with my little taps? Because you hurt my hand when you hit it hard.
It's the kids that hit my hand like that.
I'm fragile.
You don't go. Yeah. Beep. Beep. Why would it not be right? And that's it. That is the end of Bear Canyon Trail to Seven Falls, or Sabino Canyon Trail 29 to Seven Falls. I'm about to get to the truck, load up, probably grab something to eat. My kids did a great job. Olivia, how you doing?
Good.
Good. Logan, how you doing?
I'm doing great.
How's your new pack?
Awesome.
All right.
Stay alive, doing horrible.
And that's it, the end of the trail. Nick from ZC&H, we'll see you around.